Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are doing great. Another interesting question of linear equations. We have to understand a real world problem and we need to find out age of father. So let's start the question. A man is 6 times as old as his son. 6 times means that you need to multiply the age of the son by 6 in order to get father's age, right? So let's suppose son's age. Let's assume that the age of sun is x. Since we don't know the exact age, so let's consider it a variable. Sun's age equals to x. Then, according to line number 1, father's age will be multiplied with 6 so that it can be so that if you want to have father's age, you need to multiply the age of son by 6. Why? Because we know that father is 6 times as old as his son. So you need to multiply the age of the son by 6. So it will be 6x. Now, 20 years later, after 20 years, the man will be twice as old as his son. It means that after 20 years, first of all, what you need to do, let's suppose after 20 years, you are going to write down their ages again after 20 years. So if I consider the same age, like this relationship that was given to me, x and 6x, then after 20 years, this is going to be just more than 20. It means x plus 20. You need to add 20 to the current age so that you can have age after 20 years. If you want to find out what would be the age of the sun after 20 years, you need to add 20 to his present age. Let's suppose right now the sun is x years old. So after 20 years, definitely his age needs to be added by 20. You need to add his age into 20. So it will be x plus 20. Then similarly, father's age was 6x right now. So after 20 years, this is going to be x 6x plus 20. The same way, both son and father's age will have 20 additional number into their ages. Now, if this is clear, now I am moving towards the linear equation that I can have by just looking at this particular line. After 20 years, the man will be twice as old as his son. It means that I can write like this. Father's age is going to be twice. Twice means that 2 times of his son's age. Right? Father is going to be twice as old as his son. So it means you need to multiply 2 to the age of son so that you can have father's age after 20 years. So what you need to do, you have to put son's age and father's age after 20 years into this equation so that you can have a perfect linear equation. Father's age after 20 years was 6x plus 20 equals to 2 multiplied by son's age. Son's age after 20 is x plus 20. So this is exactly what happens after 20 years. Now let's solve this equation to get the age of the sun. 6x plus 20 equals to 2x plus 40. Now 6x minus 2x equals to 40 minus 20. I have shifted this 2x over here and this 20 over there. So now it will be 4x equals to 20. After that, the value of x will be calculated by dividing 20 by 4. So it is going to be 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. It means the current age of sun equals to 5 years. And since the father is 6 times current age of father, since the father is 6 times as old as his son. So it is 6 multiplied by 5. It will be 30 years. Okay. Now, if the son is 5 years old and the father is 30 years old. So going back to the question, what exactly you need to find? You have to find the age of man when his son was born. When the son was born, then it must be 0 age, right? So what you need to do in order to make this value 0, you must have age of son 0. It means that you need to subtract 5 from 5 so that you can have 0. And similarly, the father age is going to be less than 5. Not the current age of father, but the age of father at the time of birth of the son. Father's age when son was born. So, before 5 years, the son was 0 years old, and before 5 years, the father was 30 minus 5, 25 years old. You need to go back to the 5 years so that you can have son's age 0 and father's age 30 minus 5, 25 years. So this is what exactly you need to calculate. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this is helpful to you. Stay tuned, stay connected for the next questions. Okay, take care.